Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to find and use coupons on Amazon to save money on your next purchase. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Amazon website and make sure you're signed into your account. From the Amazon homepage, look for today's deals in the navigation menu and click on it. On the deals page, look for the coupons option and select it to view the available discounts. Now you'll see different coupons available for various products and categories. You can browse through the list or use the available search and category options to find a coupon for a product you're interested in. When you find a coupon you want to use, look for the Clip Coupon button and click it. Once it shows that the coupon has been clipped, the discount is saved for your account. Next, open the product associated with the coupon and add it to your cart. When you continue to checkout, check the order summary before placing your order. If the coupon applies to your purchase, you should see the discount reflected in the total. Keep in mind that Amazon coupons can have specific terms, expiration dates, or product requirements, so always check the coupon details before purchasing. And that's it. That's how you can find and use Amazon coupons. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon tutorials. Thanks for watching.